If I call you, please answer. If I invite you, please come. If I teach you, please learn. If I help you, please accept it. If I smile at you, smile back. If I send you a message, reply to it. If I ask for help, lend a hand. If I share with you, appreciate it. If I knock, open the door. If I tell a joke, laugh with me. If I write to you, read carefully. If I greet you, greet me back. If I wish you good luck, believe in yourself. If I explain, listen carefully. If I offer food, enjoy it. If I apologize, forgive me. If I make a promise, trust me. If I challenge you, try your best. If I congratulate you, celebrate it. If I call your name, please answer. If I call your name, please answer. If I ask a question, please respond. If I offer help, take it with gratitude. If I say goodbye, wave back. If I show you something, pay attention. If I knock, open the door for me. If I introduce myself, tell me your name too. If I laugh, share the joy with me. If I explain, listen carefully. If I start a conversation, engage with me. If I share an idea, think about it. If I ask for directions, guide me. If I give you a chance, make the best of it. If I send you an invite, consider joining me. If I wish you success, believe in yourself. If I ask for your opinion, be honest. If I send you a message, reply back. If I teach you something, remember it. If I open my heart, listen carefully. If I share a story, enjoy the journey. If I encourage you, believe in yourself. If I knock, welcome me in. If I invite you, feel free to join. If I apologize, accept my sincerity. If I celebrate, cheer with me. If I ask for a favor, consider helping. If I say thank you, smile back. If I try my best, support me. If I share my dreams, dream with me. If I say good morning, enjoy the day. If I believe in you, don't doubt yourself. If I ask for your name, please tell me. If I welcome you, feel at home. If I give you a gift, accept it with joy. If I ask you to wait, be patient. If I wave at you, wave back. If I say see you soon, don't forget me. If I invite you to dance, have fun. If I share a secret, keep it safe. If I trust you, Be honest with me.